Pinterest is popularly known as a photo sharing platform where you can get inspiration on things such as outfits, room designs, desk setup ideas, and many more interesting things. One thing that many don't know is that if you use Pinterest correctly, you can make tons of money from it with the help of the widely known digital marketing channel called affiliate marketing. Just in case you are not aware of what affiliate marketing is a performance-based type of digital marketing whereby a business gives commission to someone for each customer the business gets as a result of the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Now that you know what affiliate marketing is, let us now have a look at how you can actually make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, so make sure you watch till the end of the video so you don't miss any information you need to know to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Step 1. Join an affiliate program. To begin making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, you will need to join an affiliate program offered by different businesses. The most widely known affiliate program is the Amazon Associates, which is the e-commerce giant's affiliate program. You are probably aware of it as it is the most preferred affiliate program for numerous people, and also many people shop on Amazon, so they would find it easier to buy the stuff you are promoting on Amazon. The affiliate commission one gets from promoting products on Amazon can vary from a maximum of 20% for Amazon games, 10% for luxury beauty, 4.50% for physical books, kitchen, and automotive products. The only type of products I'd recommend not going for are the Amazon gift cards or even digital Kindle products purchased as a subscription, because the commission for promoting them is 0%. You can also join other affiliate products by other businesses other than Amazon, such as Etsy. Step 2. Create blog posts talking about the products you are promoting. The next step in your process of making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing is to create the blog posts that speak in detail about the products you have affiliate links for. The blog post is what will make the person interested in buying the item you are promoting to be more inclined to buying it, and this therefore requires you to make sure the blog post is well written and very informative. Step 3. Set up numerous pins for the blogs you have. Once you have created awesome blog posts talking about the products you have affiliate links for, here is where Pinterest will come in handy. You will need to create Pinterest pins that are relevant to each blog post you have on your website. Say for example you made a blog post about the best mechanical keyboard for under $100. You might want to create a Pinterest pin image that will link people to your blog post which talks about mechanical keyboards. For a single blog post, you can create 5 to 10 pin images, but if you want to go to the extreme end, you can go up to 15 pins for one blog post. The higher the number of pins you create, the higher your chances of having many people see your pins, which will translate to multiple website visitors who will then end up buying the item you are promoting using your affiliate link, and you will earn your lovely affiliate commission. Just like any other thing, to have success with this, you will need to make sure you are consistent with your pin uploads. It is advised that you create pins for your blog posts at least one pin per day so as to increase the health of your Pinterest account. When your Pinterest account is of good health, your pins will get much more exposure and therefore you will get more visits to your blogs. I don't have a blog. You may be wondering whether having a blog is the only way to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Well, I am happy to let you know that you can also make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing without having a blog. To do this, you will still need to make your Pinterest pins about the products you have affiliate links for, but then instead of linking to your blogs, you will just add your affiliate link to the Pinterest pins, and therefore, when someone gets interested in the products you have on your pins, your affiliate link will direct them straight to the store selling the product. You should be careful with this method since some policies of the affiliate programs may not allow their affiliates to just throw their links all over in Pinterest pins without proper giving of value. With that being said, it's time to end our video. Would you consider making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing videos like this.